Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Rio Brands 17 inches extended height 4-position folding beach, camping, and lawn chair in blue, white, and green. This extra tall beach chair sits 17 inches off the ground, providing comfort with its rust-proof aluminum frame that supports up to 250 pounds. With the innovative Safe Adjust technology, you can easily recline to 4 different positions without worrying about pinching your fingers, thanks to its molded armrests. These extra-wide armrests not only offer elbow and forearm comfort but also come equipped with a built-in cup holder, cell phone slot, and even a bottle opener for your convenience. For personal storage, there's an insulated pouch with a mesh pocket located on the armrest, perfect for keeping your belongings safe and accessible. Weighing only 8 pounds, this chair is compact and portable, featuring adjustable, padded shoulder straps that make it easy to carry anywhere outdoors. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or just relaxing on your lawn, the Rio Brands chair is designed to enhance your outdoor experience with style and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.